Double station shrinkless vertical tube expander. With high rigidity frame. Double station structure, high efficiency, 40s cycle excluding loading or unloading. High precision bullet, ensure synchronized entry tube and bottom forming. Integrated rod lock system. Rod stacking system, fast changeover without removing rods. Time-savely changeover. One button setting the high-low rod expansion, auto-adjust. The expansion speed is adjustable, and the motion is smooth and stable. Roller flaring, high speed, completes one workpiece in 10 seconds. Servo-driven flaring with digital depth adjustment. Automatic lubrication system. When lubrication is insufficient, it triggers an automatic alarm to ensure long-term, stable operation of the equipment. Stick out and flaring are consistent, no deformation, and no fin marks after expansion. it ready with real-time data upload for production and energy monitoring. High efficiency, high precision, high stability tube expansion solution.